Now question number 2. For clock T flip-flop, we need to write down a state table and a state diagram. As we have already discussed in the previous question that to write down a state table, we first need to write down the truth table of the given flip-flop. Since T flip-flop is mentioned here, so we will be writing down the truth table of the T flip-flop. We know that in the input we have the present state and the T input, and for the output we have the next state. Two inputs, so four combinations will be there: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. In my previous course, I have already discussed how to write down the truth table. For a reference, we know that if the value of t is equal to 1, the next state is same as the present state. And if the value of t is equal to 1, the next state toggles, which I can be using here to write down the value of the next state. Now t is equal to 0 here. So what is the next state? Same as the present state. So this will be 0. T is equal to 1. So what is the next state? It toggles. It means it is the complement of the present state, which means it is equal to 1. Because my present state is 0. So what is 0 bar? That is the complement of 0. It is equal to 1 here. Now t is again equal to 0, which means the next state is same as the present state. T equal to 1, which means the next state toggles. It is the complement of the present state. So this is equal to 0. This is the truth table of the flip-flop. Now from the flip-flop, we will be writing down the state table. This is a general construction. The present state, I will be writing down what is the next state for t equal to 0 or t equal to 1. T is what? T is my external input here. Now from here I can see my present state either has a value of 0 or 1. There is no other value it can take. So I will be writing 0 and 1 here. T also have a value either as 0 or 1. So for t equal to 0 and for the present mentioned state, what is the value of the next state? I will be writing down in one column. And for t is equal to 1, what is the next state? I will be writing down in the second column. Now let us start. Present state 0, t equal to 0. What is the next state? 0. I am writing down 0. Then present state 0, t equal to 1. What is the next state? 1. I am writing down just from the truth table. You can see present state 1, t equal to 0. What is the next state? 1. Present state 1, t is equal to 1. What is the next state? 0. A very simple table drawn from the truth table only. Now the third step is to write down the state diagram. That is, graphically I have to draw from the state table. Now I know in the circle I will be writing down what is my present state. I have only two present state, 0 and 1. So I have written 0 and 1 in the circle. Now I will be showing the state transitions. Either 0 will be changing to the same state, or it is going to the state 1, 1 is going to the same state, or it is going to the 0 state. For input combination t equal to 0 and t equal to 1. I don't have any output here, so I didn't mention the output here. Now let us see, the present state is 0, the next state is 0 for t equal to 0. It means the state is not changing. It is going back to the same state. So I am using a loop here. I can either write down t equal to 0, or I can simply write down 0. That means the same thing, that for this particular input I have the same state change, that is from 0 to 0. Now my present state is 0, and what is the next state? 1. This is the directed line which is showing the state transition from 0 to 1. For what input? That is equal to 1. So I can simply write down 1, or I can write down t equal to 1, which means the same thing. Now my present state is 1, and what is my next state? That is also equal to 1, which means it is changing from same state to the same state. For t equal to 0, so I will be using a loop, which means it is going back to the same state. For t equal to 0, You can write down t equal to 0, or you can simply write down 0. It indicates the same thing. The present state 1 and the next state 0. So this is showing the directed line that the state transition from 1 to 0 for what value of t, that is equal to 1. I am writing down just 1 here. So this is the state diagram. Thank you so much.